Finding a dentist that works with your dental plan is critical to making the most of your benefits. So let's take a look at Delta Dental's networks and how they work. Most of Delta Dental's benefits plans offer access to one or more of our dentist networks. Let's start with the Delta Dental PPO and Delta Dental Premier networks. Delta Dental's PPO network provides our best discounts and lowest out-of-pocket expenses while offering access to a large number of dentists. With Delta Dental Premier, you benefit from reduced fees with an even larger selection of dentists, the largest dental network in the country. And many of our plans offer access to both the PPO and Premier networks, though you'll often save more by visiting a PPO dentist. The Delta Care USA network serves our Dental Health Maintenance Organization, or DHMO plan. This type of plan requires you to choose a primary care dentist from the Delta Care USA network. It's important to check whether your dentist is in this network because you must visit your selected dentist to receive benefits and in order to be referred to a specialist. To learn more about Delta Dental's networks or find a dentist near you, visit our website.